Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 18th of December 2023. We're going to do a Chainlink price prediction update or forecast into the market because on our last video, which was produced on December the 4th, I didn't drop a price prediction. So maybe today we can drop another price prediction into the market for Chainlink to see where the market's trying to go, because we do have a little bit more information that we have on the chart now that we didn't have on December the 4th. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick. You guys can see two of these certain sell zones and buy zones. Down here is the buy zone. Up there at the top of the chart is the sell zone. And as we concluded our video on December the 4th, you guys can see that the market did hesitate going higher above $16 and like 17 bucks. So what we're going to do here, we're going to change this sell zone and move it up here to the last high of the market in Chainlink on December the 8th and the 9th. So obviously we was pretty close in our analysis as to where selling pressure was going to increase. It was just a little bit higher up there towards $17. Now we're not going to change our buy zone down here in Chainlink because that is still applicable. One thing you can tell so far is that price currently is breaking the overall trend that we identified into the market in Chainlink. That's not a good thing if you guys are looking for the price to go up at Chainlink. We want to see the market hold the trend. And so far in today's trading price action, it's not over yet, but currently the market is trading below that zone, that trend line. Take a look at this on the 2-day time frame. And when you look at this weakness bar there, market did recover from that weakness, but then immediately on the next 2 days down, the market went back down. So that kind of shows you that there's a little bit more weight on the selling side of the market in Chainlink than there is on the buy side right now. Here it is on the 3-day time frame. Look at that weakness there, and it continued to bleed through on that 3-day price bar. The market continued to show us weakness. The buyers did not capitalize off of this 3-day price bar when they should have, to at least confirm and let us know that the market is still bullish. They didn't do it. The market went down and it even closed on the low end of the bar. So we have 2 more days and 13 hours left on this current 3-day price bar. And given what we saw the last 3 days, we need to say, well, the odds are that price in Chainlink is going to continue to go lower. Now we do have a safety net right there in this buy zone though. So maybe the buyers will enter the market around $13 and keep price propped up. That is yet to be determined. Here it is on the 5-day time frame. We really don't see a lot of emphasis of the chart being bullish here on the 5-day time frame as well. Here it is on the weekly. This doesn't look too good in terms of a long-term price analysis or forecast. The market did print an indicator of weakness, and up fake was created last week. So maybe this buy zone may not be applicable, or may not even hold. I'm just trying to show you what to get prepared for into the future in the market in Chainlink. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Again, back-to-back weakness. This is another up fake created on the 2-weekly time frame, a longer term chart in the market in Chainlink. So maybe we need to identify the next trend that the price in Chainlink could come through and grab. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the next ascending line in the market for Chainlink, because long-term charts, the weekly and the 2-weekly time frame definitely shows weakness. Here it is on the 3 weeks. This is the last week before this 3-weekly price bar prints, and even right now it still is weak. Here's Chainlink on the 5. Let's take a look at Chainlink on the 330-minute chart. You guys can see right here on the 330-minute chart that the market still looks pretty weak. It has been making gyrations to higher prices, but it doesn't sustain itself. Price immediately goes right back down. The market pumps up, then it goes down. So here are 2 on the shorter time frame sell zones in the market for Chainlink. That's 1. And as you can tell, the market is stair-stepping its way down on these sell zones. This is the second one. Here's another one. So these buyers would have to take all of these zones out of the way in order for us to reclaim that price is going to go up. It's just that simple. So currently my idea is that the price of Chainlink is going to continue to drift and go lower. So we're going to identify that off the charts. And I'm not crazy. We're going to get rid of that price, that trend line there. And we're going to create and follow this one. Okay. I'm going to follow this trend line now. Now the first target is going to be right here in this buy zone. Okay, so we're going to look for the market in Chainlink to go lower. First target is going to be in this first buy zone there. Anywhere within that zone will be our target. So maybe around 9% move to the downside there. Our next target in Chainlink will be here in this buy zone, and that would probably be at those 2 targets. Okay, So let's just take it to the top portion. It's like 22.25% move there. And then we're going to continue to look forward to price going lower in Chainlink as long as the market trades below that sell zone up here at the top of our chart. Okay, so the sooner that we find the buyers, the better. The longer it takes, the more likely that price, in my opinion, is going to continue to drift down. That is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.